Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to bring a brand new subscription box to my channel. That is this big box right here. This is called Bagamour, and this is a seasonal box. This is the summer box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Bagamour did send me this to review, so thank you so much for sending me this box, and I'm so excited. Not only am I excited to get my hands on this box, but I really like the fact that it's seasonal. So it's only 4 times per year. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit of information about the company. That's what I do when I first bring a box to my channel, so we can learn about it, kind of know what to expect on the first unboxing. You can use my code Shecrafty10 and that'll get you 10% off your first box, which is amazing. I love when they pass down codes to help save you guys some money. So Bagamour. Bagamour is an original and unique subscription box company dedicated to delivering quality, on-trend, stylish bags with accessories each season. They can be small or large, really bright and fun, or classically tailored, but all will feature quality construction, classic fashion sensibility, and some surprising delightful accessories inside too. You'll receive these amazing accessories in addition to 2 beautiful bags of your style. Gift boxes are also available as well. So they have 3 different subscription boxes to offer that you get to choose based on the type of style bags you would like. So the first one they have to offer is the Everyday Fashionista. Now all of them are the same pricing. So each box is $54.75 per quarter, or you can save $20 and do a whole annual, which is $199 for all 4 boxes seasonally. So if you do the Everyday Fashionista, you put time and effort into the way you look and you love accessories, especially the perfect bag each season. You'll likely experiment with most key styles, and while you definitely follow trends, you generally shop with care and won't buy into a trend that doesn't complete your existing wardrobe. So that would be for the Everyday Fashionista. Then there's the Classic Woman. You're drawn to refined clothing, preferring to invest in quality fabrics and timeless styles rather than jumping on trends. You have a rather formal wardrobe and always look polished and put together. Your love of accessories and the ultimate bag must complement your well put together look each season. Or the last option is the Boho Chick. That one again, same pricing. Your way of dressing is innovative and individualistic, and you aren't overly influenced by current trends or traditional rules. You use your clothing choice to reflect your personality and put together unique and interesting outfits. Just as unique as your outfits are, the right accessories and the perfect bag are a fashion must each season. So based on which one sounds more like you choose which one it is, and that is how they would curate your box based on that preference between those 3 tiers. So again, Shecrafty10 will get you 10% off, and on my packing slip it looks like I received the Everyday Fashionista for the summer box. So right off the bat, I do want to tell you guys, this box did come in another box. I haven't opened this one just yet. But this box is really cute. For one, it's big, it's oversized, so it's definitely good for storage. It has the little bow here, and it has Bagamour on the top, which I like their logo as well with the heart and the O. And let's go ahead and get in here. I think this box is gonna be perfect for storage. I think I might even use it to put some stuff in to put on the top of my closet, or it'll probably even slide under my bed. I just think this is a perfect style, and if you get it every season, then you get 4 of these boxes, and you can either store your bags in it, you can store anything in it. These are really nice boxes though, look. So it even has a magnetic closure. Ooh, and it's a good magnetic closure. Let me just throw that out there. And then you open it, what's in your bag? Do you wanna know what's in my bag? And then it has hashtag Bagamour. It is wrapped in tissue paper with their logo, and there is a sticker down here as well. So let's go ahead and cut the seal and let's see. Now I don't know what to expect because I have never seen an unboxing of this, but it looks really neat, and I like the concept of it being seasonal. So you're not getting bombarded with tons of bags or accessories. It comes 4 times a year and it's seasonally. So, and I bet you they change the colors for the season as well, which I like. So it looks like there is going to be a brochure, and it looks like they're in duster bags, which that's awesome as well. So here is the pamphlet with this gorgeous woman right there on it. And it says Summer Style Book, June 2020. So let's go ahead and see. It has what's in your bag, and it goes over the list of everything. Does it give pricing? I do not see pricing on it, which is fine. Some give pricing, some don't. But I do like that they do explain all of the items that are inside. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get in here. I'm super, super excited. So let's go with the first bag, because there is 2. So let's go with the first bag right here. And again, it is a nice duster. It has Bagamour on there. It's a drawstring duster bag even. So you can make sure you keep that nice and tight and at the top so nothing's gonna get in there. And this is the first bag. Ooh, that is very cute actually. How cute. So it has this little detail on the front with like these little rings, but it also is the handles, and it looks like you can put a longer one on here as well. And it's like half dark brown and half like a khaki. This feels really nice. I like that. And I like the fact that it has this little decorative little piece here to give it a little curb appeal. And that is super cute. So let's go ahead and see. So it says, thank you for being a part of our Bagamour story, with their tag. And it does have a complete zipper closure. Let's open that. And when you look inside, here is the, oh, and that's a metal straps for the long one. How cute. So let me see here. There's no pockets on the, oh, there is. I'm so sorry. There is pockets. You lift this little flap up. I like that. That flap holds everything in. I've never seen that before, you guys. Have you? Look, see this is the flap from like the zipper. And then here's the pocket. And it goes all the way down to the bottom. So there's a pocket, and that keeps it, oh my gosh, that's genius. It has their logo, Bagamour, right there. And this one, the same thing. I've never seen one that the little flap holds it down, because all the time I use my little side pockets, and if my purse tips over, my stuff falls out and it's just in my purse, and I'm digging through my purse like, why did I even try to put it in my side pocket for easy access? But I do like that. I've never seen that before. So let me go ahead and put these straps on here so we can see what this is cute. I like this bag. Okay, so this is the actual chain. It's like a rope chain, but it's not like, I don't know how to explain it. It's really cool looking. And the hardware and everything matches with everything. That is so cool. So it's a nice long strap, and you can just push these down to keep them like that if you would like. So then both of them just are designs on each side, and you can just use the top strap, or if you wanted, you could even put it on the side as a crossbody bag. So that is really neat. There's several different ways you can carry this. That is super cool. And the bottom of it looks like that. So starting off very, very well. I like that. And I really like their duster bags. I like how detailed they are, especially with the closure on the top of this one, at least anyway. So now let's go ahead and get into the other bag, and then we can go through the accessories that are in there too. Yes, this one has a drawstring as well. I like that. Okay, so let's get this one out. All right, so this one is like a silver metallic, and
nope, that is clearly a metallic gold, not a silver. My apologies. Maybe I was thinking I wished it was silver, but this is definitely a gold, you guys. I'm sorry.
And it's a really good size. It does have this little tassel that gives it a little extra flair to it, which is really cute. There's their logo. And this one now, it has a magnetic closure right here. Now when you open it up, it's all open, and then you do have the flap. This one doesn't have anything holding the flap down, but you do have one pocket in there that you can put some stuff in, and then you can use the magnetic closure to close it back up, and you have a handle bag. So you would carry it like that. Very cute. So I really like that you get 2 different bags that you get to use for the entire season, and you can switch them out for your liking. I think that's really neat. And then when you're not using them, keep them in the duster bag if you want to keep them in this bag to keep them protected, or this box, I'm sorry, or use the box for storage and keep them in the duster bag, whichever you would like to do. So I think that's really neat that you get 2 different styles. I like that. So then now let's go with the accessories that are in here. So the first thing here says inspired pink floral roll-on perfume roll. There's that. And this says alcohol free, paraben free, cruelty free. Then you open it up and then this little guy is down inside. This thing. Perfume roll on. Let's see. Ooh, that smells nice. Ooh, and that's super cute because you can just leave this in your purse and whenever you just want a little dabble do ya, you just bust it out and you're good. How cool. That smells really good, you guys. So you have a perfume roll on, and then we have is a portable collapsible straw with a cleaning brush. And this is really neat, especially to drop in your purse as an accessory, because I know there's some states that they are straw free. You have to bring your own straw. So this is amazing. Plus it's good for the environment, save the turtles, save our environment all together. So it's really good to use your own straw instead of a plastic straw. So that's cool that they thought of this. Let's see here. Okay, so you can even hang it on your bag and it's in this container. I haven't seen one like this before. Okay, and then you pull out the straw. Here's the cleaning thing and you, oh, okay. And it's collapsible. And then you have your little cleaning thing that sticks in there too. Huh. That's really cool that it's all compact together and it stays in this that you can clip onto your purse. I think that's really cute. I've never seen one in this type of a design. So that is really neat. So we have that guy. Then we have, what does it say? Hope pop open cards, each with a different message inside. Thoughtfulness, a 30 count. So let's get this opened and that's what it looks like when you open it up. It says feel good. Pass it on. Hope. Pop open here. Stay strong. So it's like all these different cards in here. Okay, so the back says stay strong and there's like a little thing where you can write something on it and it says open a card whenever you need it. And it says pop open. So you pop this open and this one says leap and the net will appear. So it's basically saying take the plunge and the rest will follow. That's really nice. Let's open another one. There is not enough darkness in all of the world to put out the light of even one small candle. How cool. Very inspirational for sure. If you ever need like a little pick-me-up, you just open it up. The only time you can run out of chances and it was when you stop taking them. That is so true. Oh my gosh. These are so neat. And then you could just kind of close them back and if you wanted to, revisit that card again later, or you can write your own thing on the back, like how that message resonates to you or what you're going to do about it, or if you have a new idea of something to do to kind of put that card into motion. This is really neat. I've never seen anything like this before. So each one, there's all 30 and they have a different saying inside. That is so cool. I've never seen that before. Have you guys seen anything like this before? I think that's really neat, especially right now in this day and age. We all need something to look forward to, something to kind of just spark our own inner self to make us feel okay again. So I like that. Then we have, it looks like we're gonna have a pair of sunglasses and it is in this case right here that you pop up like that. And let's see what we have. Okay, so that is what they look like. Excuse my lights. I know, I'm sorry, but the lights help you guys. So let's see what they look like. Whoa, they're, the least I can say, they fit me. I can't say they're too small for my face, and I actually like that. They're gonna block out everything. I actually think those are cute. What do you think? You think they look cute? I think they are cute. I think they are cute. And I like that they're brown, and they'll match with anything. And I like that it comes with a case because then you can keep it in there and put it down in whichever purse you feel like using right now.
Hey you guys, I noticed actually after filming that the last few pages in this brochure showed the difference between the styles. So the classic woman would have been the same gold metallic, and it looks like this really pretty purse right there would be for the classic woman. And then the boho would be this little yellow one here with the same gold. And then the one that I received is the everyday woman, where there are my two choices right there. So if you are wondering, there's the other two styles right there.
So that is everything that came in this summer seasonal box. We have these really, really neat inspirational cards that I've never seen before. We have a little roller ball and it says inspired for the roller perfume. We have the collapsible straw that can hang on your purse as an accessory to be there whenever you need to use a straw. We have these sunglasses, and then we have the two bags with their two duster bags as well, being this guy, and my favorite of the two is going to be this one. I think this one is super unique, and I love the way that it looks and how it adds a little flair to the purse. And then you can wear it several different ways. I like that. So that is everything that came in here, you guys. What did you think? Again, I love the fact that this is seasonal. So you get 2 bags per season, 4 boxes per year. So that's 8 bags out of the entire year, only doing it seasonally. So then through that season, you can change out your purse within 2 different bags. And I really like the fact that I really just like the fact that this is seasonal. So you guys comment down below, let me know what you thought of it. What did you think of the items in this? Again, each tier would be different based on which one you would choose. So I think this is really neat. Thank you again so much, Bagamour, for sending me this box. I'm so honored and I greatly appreciate it. I love this box. So you guys, let me know what you thought, and until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.